Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you this which I can't pronounce. It's very weird. Badinjan Moutable, but I can show you the ingredients. It has eggplant, big yogurt, tahina, that is sesame seed oil, and lemon salt, olive oil, salt and garlic. So this is basically made of all these ingredients, and the name is very weird, so I can't pronounce it. So let's not wait much and open it. And yeah, one more thing, over here they have mentioned the expiry. It will be expired by 21st. That means today is 19th, and within 2-3 days we have to finish it. Let's open it. So this is how it looks like from inside. Yeah, now you can see me, my finger. Focus, camera, leave it. Yeah, it tastes like, yeah, there's too much of sesame seed, that means tahina, yogurt, and that eggplant also I can taste like. So it's good. You can eat it with some pakoras, some snacks, bread, whatever you love. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye.